Hello and welcome back to another show. I'm Sid, and in this video I'm just going to quickly be going over how to add instructions, sort of quick tip guide, because I'm going to be making a couple videos over the next few days, just including tap to change and user interactions and things like that, as I'm sort of getting back into the swing of things and learning that sort of stuff again. So yeah, I figured if I forget to mention it in any of those videos, it's good to at least have a reference that I can go back to, because I myself would probably forget, and I find it handy to have all of these videos just as a record, so that I can always go back and remember different techniques without having to dig all over the internet to figure out where I originally might have picked them up, if that makes any sense. So yeah, this is just a quick tutorial. We have a new project open here, that's why I'm looking at you right now. Hi. Well, what we're going to do is come up to device, and then over here where it says custom instruction, we want to click create, and I'm just going to use a basic one for now. There are other options, so you can have inside of the patch editor a bunch of more complex patches which you can have inputs and outputs coming from, but that's probably for a different video. For now I'm just going to use a simple instruction on opening, which creates these three simple patches down here in the patch editor. I have maybe plans to upload another video explaining the patch editor, but it's difficult to explain these sort of things, so it'll take me some time to just sort of figure out how best to describe what you're seeing. But for now, we'll get these ones out of the way and keep it simple. I look kind of stupid today. Yeah, so this first one is runtime. Basically, as long as I've just clicked play, when the screen was frozen it was paused. Once I click play, the runtime begins and the counter just carries on playing. Right now there's nothing for it to count towards, because this is not finished yet, it's not a complete circuit, but the runtime is connected to this less than, which if you come in here is a logic patch which you can include. There are equals and less than. It's basically functional programming. There are a lot of options and all kinds of different things you can do, but yeah, for now this is what we're using. Runtime connects to the less than. It's currently set at 5 seconds, and once we have everything connected up, this timer up here will begin running. What that means is that until 5 seconds is up, something will be happening. In this case, the instructions that we've set up over here. So after 5 seconds, the instructions on screen will fade away and disappear. But as you can see, nothing is playing right now, so we're going to need to add those instructions in. We'll come up here to project, edit properties, and capabilities, and you can see instructions. We want to drop down that menu, and custom instructions, you want to drop down this menu, and then add plus. Select the plus, and there are a whole bunch of options again that you can choose from. To keep things simple, we're going to go with tap to change, which is the common one that I've been using, but you can probably look through there and get all kinds of ideas for things that you want to make. So yeah, once you have this, you want to highlight the token and copy and paste that, and then hit done, and now you want to paste this token in here in your instruction, and as you can see, the timer has immediately started running. What you want to do now is pause that, hit refresh, and you'll see once I hit play that there are now instructions on the lower third of the screen. This is only on the test device that you'll see them this far down. If you on the desktop is what I mean. If you import this to a phone or test it on Instagram, it will show up in the center, just the way that all the other filters do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is something that you can enable. There are, like I showed you before, a whole array of different patches and different types of instructions that you can add, but this is a pretty simple video. I just wanted to get it out of the way so that if I forget later on, I can come back and look at this. Yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. It's pretty fun knowing that some people are watching this now. It's kind of cool. I really only made these videos, like I said, just as a reference for myself, because I tend to lose track and forget what I'm doing, so it's nice to like have an archive of the things I've been learning. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.